Welcome to the unknown world.
Oceans are such vast and often overwhelming subjects. Because of their sheer scope in size, different discoveries within it can be both mind-boggling and intriguing. There are enormous mysteries in the depths of the oceans. People from all around the world have witnessed and experienced a variety of incredible ocean phenomena. Here is a list of the top 5 ocean mysteries. This phenomenon is definitely one of the coolest one. The existence of bioluminescence happens as a self-defense mechanism, when the light that is emitted from a living organism combines with atmospheric oxygen and the chemical reaction of light energy is the result. This can make it seem as if entire portions of the ocean are lit up. It almost looks like huge light beams were submerged in the water and makes the affected areas look almost as if they are glowing in the dark. This seems almost picturesque when the Baltic Sea and the North Sea meet one another, but yet don't mix. Even the differing colors of both waters, as they merge, is pretty spectacular and seems almost impossible. This oceanic phenomenon is widely debated. The point of convergence takes place in the province of Skagen, which is located in the country of Denmark. Because of the different traits of densities in both of the sea's waters, they both remain on their side and do not mix or conform to one another. These delicate, lovely looking things are definitely a phenomenon that most people don't even know exist. The frost flowers are usually found forming on young sea ice in the colder seas. They usually only form in cold conditions, where very little wind blows. The ice clusters will usually grow around 4 centimeters in diameter and often take on the shape of a flower. These frost flowers are very high in salt content, which also lends itself to the crystallized appearance that they take on. So not only can the sea create and sustain oceanic life, but it also goes through changes and creates literal art in many places that we just don't see. Pretty fascinating stuff. This particular phenomenon has the ability to be visually stunning. The strong and vivid colors of red and orange that lace the tides as they come in are rather spectacular to witness. However, its beauty should not be desired too highly, because what's causing it is actually very dangerous. Harmful algal blooms, which are colonies of different type of algae, can grow so exponentially that they start producing toxic and harmful chemicals that are bad for marine mammals, fish, birds and people. One of the most notorious occurrences of this phenomenon takes place every summer along the Florida Gulf Coast. This takes place in the Indian Ocean and is similar to the existence of bioluminescence that happens in various parts of oceanic water. It is actually a bacterial action that makes a large amount of the sea water turn to a blue color, which then appears to be a white milky color to the human eye. This phenomenon actually has some history and roots, as it has been documented for over 4 centuries. This particular occurrence is so vast and prominent that it can be seen all the way from space. Now that's impressive.
For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.
The unknown